This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Lorraine Epperson. Move-in ready. 2-bedroom home with neat kitchen and bath, newer windows, furnace and air. Nice laundry room off the kitchen. Lots of storage in the unfinished basement. Deck off the kitchen. Covered front porch. Storage shed and large backyard with ample room to build your new garage. For more information, review the details below or contact Lorraine Epperson at 309-833-4577.